Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ben, CEO and founder here at Bold Deals, and I am back with you with another account overview. So if you don't know, in these videos, we typically like to go over live client accounts, what's working, what's not. That way you can implement it into your business and make more money, right? Generate more leads, close more deals, and take more profit. So with this client, he's been with us for about, I'd say almost 3 months now. And in that time, we generated a little over 120, or not a little over, exactly 125 leads on Facebook here at an average of a $60 cost per lead. And he spent a little over $7,500 in ad spend. And out of that, he's gotten 10 contracts or 10 deals. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those are his contracts, obviously, DI solutions, as you see on both sides. And that would mean his average cost per contract is $750, right? So let's just say hypothetically, you're putting in $750 to get a $15,000, $20,000 out, right? That is let's just do the math. $15,000 divided by 750. That's basically almost a 20x. Now, is that consistent? Absolutely not. Right? But we want to ride that wave as much as possible. Plus, you have to look at marketing on a long enough time horizon given cash conversion cycles. And here's what I mean by that. If you look at your marketing return on ad spend every week or every month, it's not, it won't project accurate data. Reason being, if it takes on average 45 to 60 days for a deal to close, and you're looking at it on a 30-day time span, like it just doesn't even add up, right? So for us, we have to look at it on a realistic time horizon, including our management fees, things like that as well. He has softwares, things like that obviously contribute. So really, really happy. And funny thing is, he actually worked with another agency before this, and I can show, I could see exactly who it is, because we could just go like right here and go to the history, and I'll tell you like, hey, who ran the campaign. But not here to throw bad blood at anybody. I actually even created a case study about this client, which I will probably link in the description, walking you guys through the exact ads, our landing page. But again, this video, I just wanted to make it short. So if you are an established wholesaler and you're not happy with your current agency right now, they're just dropping the ball, they don't know what is going on, and you feel like you deserve a better agency who knows exactly what's going on, knows how to keep feedback loops. That way we're feeding Facebook and Google PPC, because that's something we do as well, accurate data. That way you can optimize and scale the campaigns properly. At least we would optimize and scale the campaigns properly. Let us know, right? There's a link in the description, and there is a link in the comments, right, where you could schedule a call with either me or a member of my team. I'd love to sit down with you and walk you through the entire thing from A to Z, show you exactly what it looks like, what results you can get, the cost conversions, everything like that when we implement it into your business. So I hope you got some value out of this. And again, if you are that person, I look forward to speaking with you. Again, my name is Benjamin, CEO and founder here at Bold Deals, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good rest of your evening. Goodbye.